Hey y'all, Miranda here, showing you Triple Falls at Dupont State Recreational Forest in North Carolina. You can get two great views of this 120-foot waterfall. And remember, this trail and falls are particularly popular, so I recommend visiting during the weekdays instead of on the weekends. You can hike to these falls from either the High Falls Visitor Center parking lot or the Hooker Falls Access parking lot. And I'll put more information, links, and the full trail video in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel for more waterfalls and hikes in Western North Carolina.